We have one for rubbish, one for recycling, and one for compost.
Pip will clear the brewsker from the vegetable patch and apple trees.
Cheep Cheep, Blaheen and Kuon, can you collect everything that's caught high up in the trees?
And Bomba can be in charge of sorting everything into piles for the bins.
Kinte.
And we can pick up anything on the ground.
Karkalor, Amir.
What's wrong, Amir?
But won't we get dirty picking up Brewsker?
No be burha.
Ta-da! Eros. Now we don't have to worry about our hands getting dirty. Thanks, Bamba.
Fairy Island will be nice and gone in no time.
Just glad.
Head island.
The rouse.
Oh, this is exactly what I need to finish my castle at home.
I've been looking for blue ribbon for my recycling art project. Cheep Cheep, can we keep the treasure we found?
Kinte.
Bamba, will you help us clean them?
Hans Moine.
She my showed.
It's funny how someone's brewsker can be someone else's showed. Showed?
How can that be treasure?
Of course. The compost will help Pip's garden grow.
Aw, das glan.
Fairy Island is clean again.
Maybe next time you're doing a clear out, you'll know what to do.
And who to call for help.